Agent Strider, why did you join the Bureau?
I believe in justice, and I believe that Negroes have to be a part in getting it. Case after case, unsolved. Unsolved. Unsolved.
I can do more than sit behind a desk.
No one's talking to the FBI.
Not willingly, that is.
So what do you want to do?
Something unorthodox. You will be partnered with someone tied to organized crime.
Where the body's at, Eddie?
I ain't telling you nothing.
The fuck are you supposed to be?
My driver?
Special Agent Wayne Strider, FBI.
Get the fuck out of here. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Still no pressure. It's against protocol for me to join you in there.
Time for you to leave my shop.
You all right? Come here, let me ask you a question. I got it.
Get out of the car. I'm gonna have some fun with you tonight.
You're right. That was fun.
You shot a cop.
Look around. There's no witness. There's no crime. Let's get out of here. Fucking starving. Let's go.
I ain't got nothing to say to no authorities.
Hey, we done yet?
Who's this?
That's my driver.
I knocked some fucking heads around and I cracked the case.
Making people disappear does not solve the problem.
Turn the other cheek. That ain't really working, is it?
To the devil on fire.
They came for me. You're my wife. What would you do?
I kill them all. By any means necessary.
Let's end this.
One life, live it right now.
Can I get you some drinks?
Coffee.
How you take it?
Black.